Hi friends, welcome to Krishna's Tech Info. In the last video we saw how to install Docker and run containers. In this video we can see how to install and run application inside the Docker containers. So in this video I am going to use an Ubuntu based Docker container in which the Nginx server will be installed. In the last video we saw how to pull an Ubuntu image from the Docker app. You can use that Ubuntu image now to install Nginx on it. Before installing the Nginx on the Docker container, we can update it using the apt-get update command. Now it is updated. Now we can install Nginx using this command. If you're getting this unable to locate package Nginx, you can log in into the container and run this install command. I'm going to log in into the container using the docker run -it, the image name, and bash. Now I've logged in into the container. Now I'm going to install it using the apt install nginx command. Now give us to download and install the packages. Now the Nginx installation is completed on the Docker container. Now we can see how to commit the changes to the Docker container now. Now exit from the Docker container and now run the docker ps-l command. Now we can commit the changes using the docker commit command. Docker commit and the container id space give name for the image Ubuntu Nginx. Now it is committed. Now we can run the docker images command to view the images. You can see the Ubuntu-Nginx here. Now check whether the recent image is committed properly. We can run the docker run Ubuntu Nginx varus nginx command. Now we can see the Nginx is properly installed. So now we can see how to run the Nginx inside the Docker container. You can use the now run this docker run -it -port 8180 and provide the image name and /bin and bash at last. Now run nginx ampersand. Now give enter. Now it is running. Now the Nginx is started in this docker container. Now we can detach from the container by pressing the Ctrl P plus Ctrl Q. Now we have detached from the container. Now we can check the docker ps command. Now we can see the Nginx service is running. Now we can check the Nginx test page. Now you can enter your local IP address with the port number 81 1.5:81. Now we can see the Nginx test page. So in this way you can run your Nginx application on Docker container. So in this video we saw how to install and run application inside the Docker container. You can see more about the Docker containers in the coming videos. Thanks for watching this video. Post your comments and suggestions. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button to get instant notifications on my videos. You can follow me on this Instagram ID and Facebook page. For any queries you can reach me on this Skype ID.